The morn when we met, oh, the morn when we met. We rode in the gowans and laughed till we wept. And the day we were wed, oh, the day we were wed. We rode till daydawn in a fine featherbed. New snaws on the tummocks, and sheathes the hearth, and she'll be birlin, speirin for why. Chasin the birdies in the late summer grass, as gowd as her hair, oh, the scythin is past. We'd kissed in the barn, oh, we'd kissed in the barn. The berries mair sweet, when a taen for nae coin. You mind who we ran, oh, you mind who we ran. The hounds were sae fleet, the flames were sae warm. New snaws on the tummocks, and sheathes the hearth, and she'll be birlin, speirin for why. Chasin the birdies in the late summer grass, as gowd as her hair, oh, the scythin is past. The feast day we held, oh, the feast day we held. When the bells rang the name of wee Mary Nell, and the first words we heard, oh, when voices we heard, like the drums our herts raced, like the wounds our een weld. New snaws on the tummocks, and sheathes the hearth, and she'll be birlin, speirin for why. Chasin the birdies in the late summer grass, as gowd as her hair, oh, the scythin is past. We turned to our hame, then we turned fae the flames, fae the charging cold steel, and we ran to the waves. The sand dragged like chains, oh, the sand held like chains. Their dogs caught our heels, and we lost our wee babe. New snaws on the tummocks, and sheathes the hearth, and she'll be birlin, speirin for why. Chasin the birdies in the late summer grass, as gowd as her hair, oh, the scythin is past. Down at the sea's edge, oh, at the sea's edge, the first boat put free, as quick came the tread. Yon dark was sae red, oh, yon dark drippet red. Ah, how the gulls keened the night when we fled. New snaws on the tummocks, and ice sheathes the hearth, and she'll be birlin, speirin far away. Chasin the birdies in the late summer grass, that's gowd as her hair, oh, the scythin is past.